Hi guys, hope you are having a blessed day. Well, we are in a time of crisis where there's so many things happening in the world. At the moment, we are faced with this virus and it's affecting our body. I'm just here just to, help us to understand the importance of looking after self, putting the right stuff in your body, eating healthy. Because I'm not saying that, you can't cut it, but what I'm saying that is important to have a healthy body. So if you do caught this virus, you can fight off, the symptom. Especially it reacts like a common cold or fever. So if your body is healthy and if you put in the right stuff in, you actually have a chance to win this fight of virus. So today, preparing soup for the family. So I just want to show you what is in the soup. So here I've got a yam, and I'm gonna put some chicken noodle in. I've got some thyme, and a bit of butter will be in there. Some garlic will be in there. Tomato also, and spring onion, and pumpkin, bit of pepper, and wholemeal flour. That's what I'm going to put in the soup. Carrot, it's quite important to put your carrot in, and some potato. So that's what gonna be in my soup. Look at that, guys. Look at the rich flavor. I've got some chicken in it also. Forgot to show you the chicken. So this is what the soup look like. So rich and yellow with the pumpkin, carrot, and all the noodle in there. And this is quite good for the body. It help, resist the cold that you may have in, and it gives you all the nutritious variety that your body needs. Okay, so stay healthy, be safe, looking out for each other is important at this time. Shout out to all my carers, my nurses, my doctors, and the cleaners, all those people in the front line, the soldiers on the police, all those people is trying to make us safe. And look out for each other. And remember, when you shop, think about somebody else, and also for the elderly and the vulnerable. Love you guys. Have a fantastic day. Ta-da!